Hello everyone. Respected Principal Sir, learned colleagues and all my dear students. On the occasion of National Sports Day, I am here to share my views on the topic fitness and wellness through sports. I am very much excited to speak on this topic because fitness and wellness is the need of the hour. Before I begin, let me ask you one thing. How many of you want to be the wealthiest man on this earth? I know your answer is yes. Each one of you wants to become the wealthiest man on this earth. So here is a package of wealth for you. It is a fact that health is the wealth. The greatest wealth on this earth is health. If you are healthy, you are wealthy. It is also said in Hindi, Pehla Sukh Nirogi Kaya. So, we involve ourselves in our day-to-day activities so much that we forget to take care of this body. The greatest gift that God has given us is this human body. And we don't care about this body. Let me ask, how many of you take care of your body? How many of you are concerned about your body? How many of you spare time to take care of this body? We involve ourselves in worldly activities. But we should not forget we are existing in this world because of this body. We move in this world. We mark our presence in this world because of this body. We live in this body. Our body is our first home. Don't you think we should take care about it? And important thing is, taking care of your body is free of cost. You need not to spend much amount of money to take care about your body. But you are supposed to follow certain rules, certain steps you are supposed to follow. You need to get up early in the morning. You need to work out. You need to eat healthy food. You need to keep positive thoughts in your mind. So the easiest way to keep your body fit and healthy is involving yourself in sports activities. Sports are very important for life. Sports are very much important for harmonious development of mind, body, heart and soul. Sports provide good exercise to keep our body healthy. A man can't be mentally strong if he is physically weak. Sports help us in physical and mental development. Sports provide us opportunity to be fit, to be healthy, to be active. Sports are source of recreational activities also. We keep the stress away from our life. We have good feeling. Through sports, we imbibe beautiful qualities, honesty, leadership, teamwork. We try to learn to follow the rules of the games. We become a good human being. Sports teach us how to be adaptable, how to be alert, how to be active, how to be smart. We learn to respect our opponents. We learn to respect the rules of the games. We get opportunity to represent our district, our state, our school team, our college team. We get opportunity to serve, to represent our nation in sports also. This brings a lot of pride. This brings a lot of respect. And the important thing, you keep your body fit, you keep yourself healthy, you keep yourself active. If your body is healthy, then only your mind be strong. If you are physically healthy, then only you are mentally strong. There is a straight connection. You have emotions stable. You have no problem, you have no stress. And another important thing is that you keep the disease away. You keep heart disease away, you keep diabetes away, you keep the disease of bones away. And another important thing, you live long. There are 4 pillars of optimal health. Dear students, you should do regular workout. You should take exercise daily. You should keep your body fit. Another aspect is that you are supposed to take balanced diet. Your diet should be balanced. All the micro and macronutrients should be there in your diet. Another thing is you should take adequate rest. At least 6 hours sleep is required so that your body can be active and fit again. And last but not the least is positive attitude towards life. Your thoughts should be positive. You should always think positive. You should take hindrance, obstacles as opportunities. COVID-19 is a big obstacle. It is a big hindrance. It is a big challenge. But the government of our country, all the warriors around us are taking it as an opportunity. So dear students, you are at home. There also you can work out. Make your routine. Involve yourself in creative activities. Think positive. Read a lot of books. Watch positive content and listen to your teachers and parents. Definitely your life will be very happy. You will be healthy. If you people are healthy, your society is healthy. If society is healthy, the nation is healthy. And if nation is healthy, the whole world is healthy. Let's take pledge on this auspicious occasion that at least we shall take care of this body. We shall take care about our body. We shall work out every day. We shall get up on time. We shall take good diet. We shall keep positive things in our mind. And we will serve our nation in this way. By keeping yourself healthy, you can also serve your nation. The nation will take pride if its citizens are healthy. So students and dear friends, keep remember the important thing, the most important thing that you have with you is your body. This will be with you till the last breath of your life. This is the most important, most expensive thing that is being ignored by people nowadays. I hope my views are interesting for you. My views will bring change in your life. You will take pledge to keep yourself healthy, fit and fine. Thank you. Thank you so very much for giving me the opportunity to speak on this occasion. Be happy, be healthy, be active, be alert, be smart. Bye-bye.